I thought I may as well make a YouTube video on my sea monkeys. I have actually started those a few weeks ago, and just today, well, not just now, but today, I have spotted them. So yeah, and there's loads of them, all healthy and good. So yeah, seems like we need a bit more algae growing in here, but yeah. And if you're wondering, I did try like aqua dragons, and unfortunately, well, died hatched before those, and I'm going to try again with like aqua dragons. I hadn't gotten a special tank for them, just using like a bigger tank, and yeah, I would clean out a tank again and restart that again. So yes, yes, that's all I have to say. So yeah, I can update you on sea monkeys. I know they're just awesome to look at and watch. Yes. And yes, in the future, I will possibly, go to a charity shop and get like a vase or something. Yes, Persephone? Yes? Do you want to be in a video too, Persephone? Yes? No? Maybe? Okay. Yeah, sea monkeys, but yeah. That's me cat Persephone, who just walked past here. Seriously, try and get more in front of the camera, will you? Yeah. Adorable. May as well show from you, Persephone. Yes, she didn't really be having a cat on a toaster, but she is adorable. Yeah, but yeah, back on to the sea monkeys. Yeah, got a whole bunch of them. So yeah, this Persephone. You're now in the YouTube video again, and we've got all of you in this time. Yes, you're adorable. I think you're going to become a regular part of the YouTube videos. I'm pretty sure of it. You're adorable. Yes, adorable. And your mum is adorable. Yeah, I've got your mum. Yeah. How Persephone was, how I got in Persephone were pretty much her mother, Tango, had decided to, go out, and she were gone for about 2 days. But my neighbour, his girlfriend, had went out to go to work, and a female cat had come running out, and yeah, and I was told about it when I can finish the story of the video. See ya.